Dear friends, welcome to Worldwide Vehicles. This is Airco DH-1. The Airco DH-1 was a British fighter aircraft of the First World War, designed by Geoffrey de Havilland for the aircraft manufacturing company Airco. It was one of the first British fighter aircraft to be designed specifically for air-to-air combat, and it helped establish the British dominance in the skies during the later part of the war. The DH-1 had a wooden frame covered with fabric and was powered by a 100 horsepower Gnome rotary engine. It was armed with a single synchronized Vickers machine gun that fired through the propeller arc, and it had a maximum speed of 100 miles per hour. It was about 160 kilometers per hour. The aircraft had a wingspan of 27 feet 4 inches and a length of 23 feet and 6 inches. The DH-1 first flew in August 1915 and entered service with a Royal Flying Corps in January 1916. It was initially used for escort duties, but it was soon employed as a fighter aircraft. It proved to be an effective fighter against German aircraft such as the Fokker Entdecker. However, the DH-1 was not without its problems. Its wooden frame made it vulnerable to damage from enemy fire, and it had a tendency to suffer from wing failures. In addition, its rotary engine made it difficult to control, as the engine torque caused the aircraft to pull one side during takeoff and landing. Despite these issues, the DH-1 was a successful fighter aircraft. It was used by several RFC squadrons on the Western Front, and it was credited with 44 aerial victories. It was eventually replaced by more advanced fighters such as the Sopwith Camel and Royal Aircraft Factory. In conclusion, the Airco DH-1 was an important fighter aircraft of the First World War. It helped establish British air superiority over the Western Front and paved the way for the development of more advanced fighter aircraft in the years to come. Okay friends, we will meet in our next video soon.